Hello guys, why would a customer choose to invest more in the Mitsubishi M8OA system? Recently, one of our customers made the decision to upgrade from the control system Mitsubishi M8B to the Mitsubishi M8OA, which means increasing their budget. So what is it behind this choice? Well, the M8B is great at providing efficient NC code for general part machining. The M8OA is specifically designed for mold machining. It optimizes NC code to ensure faster and more precise mold processing. Plus, when it comes to high-speed precision performance and surface finishing, the M8OA really stands out compared to other general systems. This makes it a smart investment for anyone who values quality and efficiency in mold operations.